Buckle up, Buttercup, because the world of finance is about to get a whole lot more interesting. We're not just talking about your grandpa's stock market or your parents' savings account. No, we're diving into a realm where the rules are still being written and the stakes are higher than ever. It's a place where innovation meets risk, and fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. Forget everything you thought you knew about stuffy old banks and complicated stock markets. The traditional financial systems are being challenged by a new wave of technology and ideas. We're moving away from the old guard and stepping into a future where finance is more accessible, more exciting, and yes, a bit more unpredictable. We're diving headfirst into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, where fortunes are made and lost overnight. This isn't just about Bitcoin or Ethereum, it's about a whole ecosystem of digital assets that are transforming how we think about money. From decentralized finance platforms to non-fungible tokens, the crypto world is vast and full of opportunities. Imagine a world where you control your own money, free from the meddling of governments and banks, a world where transactions are transparent, secure, and instantaneous. That's the promise of blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies. It's a revolutionary shift that puts power back into the hands of the people. That's the promise of cryptocurrency, a decentralized digital currency that's shaking up the financial world. It's not just a fad, it's a movement that's gaining momentum every day. With each passing moment, more people are waking up to the potential of digital currencies and the freedom they offer. It's like the Wild West out here, folks. The landscape is constantly changing and the opportunities are endless. But just like the Wild West, it's not without its dangers. Scams, hacks, and market volatility are all part of the territory. It's a thrilling ride, but one that requires caution and knowledge. But don't worry, this ain't my first rodeo. I've been navigating these turbulent waters for a while now, and I'm here to help you do the same. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, there's always something new to learn in this ever-evolving space. Stick with me and I'll be your trusty guide through the ins and outs of cryptocurrency investing. Together, we'll explore the trends, the technologies, and the strategies that can help you navigate this brave new world. So saddle up and get ready for an adventure like no other. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? In the simplest terms, it's like digital cash that uses cryptography to keep transactions secure. Think of it as a super secret code that only you and the person you're trading with can crack. Unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks. That means no single entity has control over them, not even the government. This makes cryptocurrency transactions incredibly secure and transparent. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain, which acts like a giant digital receipt that everyone can see. Now, you might be thinking this all sounds very complicated, and you're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed when they first hear about cryptocurrency. It's a new and evolving field, filled with technical jargon and complex concepts. Why should I even bother? Why should I invest my time and energy into understanding something that seems so foreign and confusing? Well, my friend, there are a few compelling reasons why cryptocurrency deserves your attention. Let's break it down and make it simpler. Firstly, it's a hedge against inflation. Inflation is when the value of your money decreases over time and prices for goods and services go up. Remember when your favorite bag of crisps used to cost £1 and now it's like £2.50? That's a perfect example of inflation in action. That's inflation, and it's eating away at your hard-earned money. Every year, your money buys you less and less. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, have a limited supply, which means they're not subject to the same inflationary pressures as traditional currencies. This limited supply can help preserve the value of your money over time. Secondly, cryptocurrency is a global currency. Unlike traditional currencies, which are tied to specific countries and economies, cryptocurrencies can be used anywhere in the world. You can send and receive it anywhere in the world without having to worry about pesky exchange rates or bank fees. This makes it incredibly convenient for international transactions. This makes it ideal for international transactions and remittances. Whether you're sending money to family overseas or paying for services from another country, cryptocurrency simplifies the process and reduces costs. Ready to dip your toes into the crypto waters? Cryptocurrency might seem like a complex and intimidating world, but it's actually quite accessible once you get the hang of it. Whether you're looking to invest for the long term or just curious about how it all works, we're here to guide you through the basics. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. With a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to understanding and investing in cryptocurrencies. Let's break it down so you can get started with confidence. First things first, you'll need to create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange. This is where you'll be able to buy, sell, and manage your cryptocurrencies. Think of it as your gateway to the crypto world. Think of this like your digital wallet where you'll store your crypto. Just like you wouldn't carry all your cash around in your pocket, you'll want a secure place to keep your digital assets. There are loads of different exchanges out there, so do your research and choose one that's reputable and offers the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Look for user reviews, security features, and the variety of coins available. Once you've created your account and gone through the necessary verification steps, you're ready to buy some crypto. Verification usually involves providing some personal information and proof of identity, but it's a crucial step to ensure the security of your account. Simply choose the cryptocurrency you want to invest in, enter the amount you want to buy, and voila, you're officially a cryptocurrency investor. Remember to start small and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Happy investing!